og så jeg prøver å si litt på norsk. Ok, Kent, go ahead.
So I can't snuck Norse very well, so I'm going to be talking in most in English. So mostly English as much as possible. So my name is Kent Erickson. I'm Mel's son, and I came home to the farm and started on the farm in around 2006.
Kent kom hjem til farmen i 2006 og begynte gårdsarbeid.
My wife Tasha, she's over in the corner.
Tasha.
And we have 4 children. They're all in school, so grade 7, grade 5, grade 3, and kindergarten.
Så 4 barn, og de går alle sammen på skole i forskjellige nivåer.
So I think Svein has given you a little bit of history of our farm. But my great-grandparents came over to this quarter section in 1908. So John and Elmer Erickson, they actually moved up from, is it South Dakota or North Dakota?
South Dakota.
South Dakota. So they came into the United States into South Dakota and then moved up here in 1908.
Så oldefar kom som immigrant fra Norge til Syd-Dakota, og så kom opp til Alberta i 1908.
Oldeforeldre var 160 acres. Da gikk det oppover til how many today?
Close to that now.
Nærmest 5,000 acres i dag.
2,000 hectares.
2,000 hectares.
Yeah.
2,000 hektar.
And throughout that time, and we'll maybe go outside and go for a walk after. Throughout that time, you know, the evolution of technology has really evolved from, you know, horse and plow when they first came over, very much hands-on, long hours. We still have long hours now, but then they moved into, you know, from my grandfather's time, you know, manual labor of feeding the animals, but they had tractors, you know, still open-air tractors. To my father's time, where all of a sudden they had a cab on their tractor, out of the dust. To our time, where now we have GPS and a lot of mechanical and a lot of computer technology and information on our farm. This is our cedar. So because we grow, you know, 2,500 hectares, of cropland, this folds out to 60 feet. So in that time too, one of the biggest technologies on our farm was evolving from, you know, a lot of tillage, working the land, to trying to do as minimal tillage as possible. Direct seeding came in 1992. We started direct seed or zero till.
In 1900?
1992.
Ja. Så jeg får fortelle at i tidligårene så brøtte landet og så pløyde, og det var så mye arbeid med selve jorden. Og nå i 1992 kom det til direkte planting, så at det forstyrrer ikke jordskapet.
And now we're into a kind of a phase on our farm. The next, I would say, information or technology that we're really keying in on is a lot more focused on soil and on the soil health and how we can grow healthier plants, at the same time still grow as much production as possible to feed our community. It meant a lot to our family to see some friends and maybe long-lost family from we call here the old country. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your time in Alberta.
Thank you.
Og så sier hjertelig takk til deg. Thank you so much, Ken.
All right, thank you.
Pleasure to be here.
Yeah, thank you very much.